In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Performance Planner to better forecast Google Ads. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the tool, how to set it up properly, and what choices matter when you're creating a plan, so your forecasts are as reliable and actionable as possible. Start by opening your Google Ads account. Make sure you're signed in and looking at the main dashboard where you can access your campaigns and tools. The feature we need lives in the same area as many planning and measurement tools, so we'll head there next. Look toward the top of the screen for the Tools and Settings icon. It often looks like a small wrench. Click it to open the menu. In that menu, find the Planning section. This is where Google groups items that help you anticipate performance and organize your strategy. Click Planning to reveal the options and then select Performance Planner. This is the forecasting workspace that models how your ads could perform based on your settings and historical signals. Once you're on the Performance Planner page, click the plus icon to start a new plan. The plus icon is your starting point for a fresh forecast and ensures you're working with the most up-to-date data available. This will open a setup flow that asks for the essential details the model needs. First, select your date range. Choose a period that reflects your planning horizon, whether that's the upcoming month, a quarter, or a specific promotional window. If you expect seasonality, like holidays or product launches, pick dates that capture those patterns because the model leverages historical trends to project future results. Next, choose your advertising channel. Select the channel you intend to forecast, such as search or another supported network. Aligning the channel with your actual strategy ensures the forecast reflects the right auction dynamics and audience behavior. Then pick your key metric. This is the main outcome you want to optimize for, like conversions, conversion value, clicks, or cost. Think about your business goal. Lead generation typically prioritizes conversions, while awareness might focus on clicks. Selecting the right metric helps the planner show trade-offs clearly, so you can weigh volume against efficiency. When your date, channel, and key metric are set, click Create. The planner will build a forecast view that models potential performance based on your inputs. From there, you'll see projections and curves that illustrate how changes can influence results, helping you plan budgets and expectations with greater confidence. That's all you need to get a solid forecast started with Performance Planner.